Hattiesburg Clinic. Our life's mission is you.
Is this the room the celebration's going on in? Or what? Well, we heard there was a celebration coming on, so we wanted to come be a part of it. we want to add to the celebration. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Because we're here today representing the Employee Rewards and Recognition Committee because we want to recognize one of the employees in this room because every quarter we pick one employee to be the Employee of the Quarter, Pride of Hattiesburg Clinic, and we're here today to honor Miss Marsha Douglas. Marsha was chosen from over 200 employees during the fourth quarter, and we're here today to present her with balloons and a special parking spot for one entire quarter, in addition to $100 and a vacation day. So thank you for all you do to make sure you give the best to our patients every day.
Thank you.